Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechExpress. Today, let's get started on cozy optimization. If you're still manually changing bits every morning, you're losing money. So, optimization is about signal quality. Google's AI is now better at betting than you are, but it's only as good as the data you feed in. So, let's see how you can get started with the structure and the branding shield. First, you must isolate your brand campaigns. Never let your brand keywords mix with the discovery keywords. Why? Because brand searches have 10 more chances higher conversion rate, and if they are in the same campaign as generic terms, for example, Google AI will spend all your money into people who already know you rather than finding new customers. So you want to go directly into the brand exclusion feature into your settings. This ensures your non-brand campaigns are actually hunting for new business, right? So when you get started with your actual campaigns, you want to select your custom campaigns, which is this one. You can go directly here for the settings. I have the performance maximum element. I'm going to try to change a few elements directly inside here. So my budget, the status, the optimization score, everything is now added with the conversion value, right? So quality score. This is still the king of lower CPCs. It's made for three things: expected CTR, ad relevance, and landing page experiences. So to optimize some relevance here, what I need to do, of course, is to use all 15 headlines. So don't pen every headline. The Google 2026 algorithm needs room to test which combination works best for the different users. So when you generate your first campaign, usually what I do is to go, for example, for least, and I focus, for example, with the actual purchases and go for continue. So the campaign type for my case would be, for example, for search only, and here the ways you'd like to reach your goal is to go for only website visits. And here what you wanted to do is to just type your website and hit for continue. The campaign name should be the least of the, in this case, my client. Just like that, I hit for the option that says continue, and if your landing page takes more than 3 seconds to load on mobile, Google will penalize your quality score. So you want to optimize your images and use CDN. It's the easiest way to lower your cost. Let me explain this a little bit more. If I have an actual Google site, let's say this one, I open this into a new tab. Less than 2 seconds. It took me less than 2 seconds to open this section, so I believe this one actually is going to be really great. But if it took more than 3 seconds, I think that I needed to change, for example, the resolution of our images to try to be a little bit more easier to focus on. And basically, this is how we can actually improve our actual website. Now, to fitting the actual machine, it's a world without cookies. You must enable the enhanced conversion. This uses hashed first-party data to track users across device. So in my case, I can focus, for example, for my campaign searched. The Google Display Network and the search part level will be available, yes. I have the no campaigns or have any politicals here, the audience segments here. I'm going to focus for the observation, right? And basically that will be actually it. Now here into my keywords and the asset generator, usually if you are in B2B setup, offline conversions important. So tell Google which leads actually turn into sales. This stops the AI from bidding and junk form fails. You wanted to give different weights to your leads. So a demo request should be worth 5 more than a newsletter sign up. So this tells the AI exactly what success looked like. And one strategy that I can tell you, once that you have, let's say, more than 30 conversions a month, what you can do is to move to a target ROAS, return on ad expense. So don't change the volume, you want to change the actual value. It's better to have 10 high value clicks than 100 cheap ones that don't buy absolutely anything. So my weekly routine is to go into my campaigns, into my overview, and if you see a word that doesn't fit, you want to add this to your negative keyword list immediately, which you can be finding directly into the keyword planner. And here, for example, I have discover new keywords, and here what I can do is to start here, and here I can check out here now the planning for now the keywords and try to add this into my negative keywords. So this is the only manual work that you should still be doing here, right? So optimizing your signals, and the AI will optimize your ROI. Yes, if you wanted to get started with the Google Ads audit checklist, you can tell Google Gemini to help you with this specific element, and now you have the actual ad advisor that can be helping you with this element. So where is my campaign performance, and basically into your request and the investigation of your campaign, basically Google Ads going to be helping you with this element really fast. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys, to check out more elements of Google Ads. You want to get started with the Google AI that can help you with your specific ads, so it can be helping you optimize those elements. Thank you once again for watching, guys. See you well next time.